as you can see, Hero Splendor Plus bike. This is Hero Splendor Plus bike. This is new Hero Splendor Plus bike. This is 2024 edition. Hero Splendor bike. This is Hero Splendor bike. This is 2024 edition. Features I am telling you about the Hero Splendor bike. Hero Splendor bike features are: it has a halogen bulb setup, 2 dippers, front and rear disc brakes, instrument cluster. Yeah, these are all the top features of the Hero Splendor bike. Good Hero Splendor bike. This is, people are buying this Hero Splendor bike a lot. Hero Splendor Plus bike. This is by Hero. Hero Splendor Plus badging, Hero Splendor Plus badging. This is there. Hero Splendor Plus badging. Hero Splendor Plus badging. Then this is there. Then 2 dippers are there. 2 dippers are there. 2 good dippers are also there. With the halogen light setup, 2 dippers. Yeah. Keys also there in the bike. Good keys are also there. Hero keys are there. Hero keys are in my hands, as you can see. Yeah. Hero keys I showed you. These are the Hero keys. I have the Hero keys. I have the Hero Splendor keys in my hand. You can see. Good Hero bike this is. Instrument cluster is also good. Double instrument cluster we are getting here. Empty full Hero. Empty full. Neutral light temperature check button with the double instrument cluster. Double instrument cluster. Then this is also there. Hero app is also there. Then you can put this also. Buttons are there too. One button is here, then other button is here. One button is here, other button is there. Side look is too good of the bike. Hero badging is also there. Back mein we are getting 2 dippers. 2 dippers back mein we are getting. And this LED light setup, let me show you. LED light setup this is. LED light setup this is. LED light setup this is. Yeah. Front look is too good of the Hero bike. Front look is too good. Side look is even more good. Hero badging we have the Hero badging with the power start, Hero engine start stop feature. Hero badging we have the metal this thing, then the comfortable seats, the double cylinder technology. Look is also good. Yeah. Look is also good. Hero Splendor badging is also there. This is also there. Sturdy tires are there. Good sturdy tires. Good sturdy tires we have. Sturdy tires, side look is too good. Yeah. good. Side look is coming up more. This is there. LED light setup is there. Backlight setup is there. Backlight setup is there. Number plate है ये halogen light. Backlight and number plate area light is halogen with backlight. Yeah. Front look is too good. Hero Splendor badging. This is Hero Splendor Plus badging. Hero Splendor Plus badging with the halogen light setup here. Number plate you can put here. The two dippers we are getting. Two dippers we are getting. Nice dippers. Back look is too good of the bike. Back look is too good. Side look is good. Hero badging we have here. That look is also good. That look is also good. That look is good. That look is also good. That look is good. Yeah. Back look is also good. Back look is too good of the Hero Splendor bike. We are getting this metal sturdy things. Metal. We are getting metal, sturdy metal with the backlight. Number plate area light is halogen backlight. This is also good. Dipper we have. Good seats. You can put the petrol, diesel, def here. Then the instrument cluster is 1, 2. Here we are getting the E full, then neutral, temperature, then light. Then this is the neutral, temperature, light, Hero, EF, buttons, 1-3i smart. You can connect to the app also. This Hero Splendor bike. This is also there. This is there. Good bike. This is by Hero. By Hero. This is good bike. Hero good bike. This is. Yeah. Hero good bike. Yeah. Sturdy looking bike. This is by Hero. By Hero. Hero Splendor Plus badging. Hero Splendor Plus badging with halogen light setup. Hero badging we have. Power start. Hero badging. Power start. Hero badging. That look is good. Yeah. Look is even more good of the bike. Side look is even more good. Hero badging at the side look of the bike. More Hero badging I am getting you here. Hero badging is here also. Hero badging is here also. Back look is too good. Look is good. Side look is even more good of the Hero bike. Front look is good. Hero Splendor Plus bike. This is Hero Splendor Plus bike. This is, yeah. This is also there. Hero app. Hero app. It can connect to the Hero app as well. Good seats, sturdy seats. The sturdy of the bike. Yeah. Good bike I must say. Bike by Hero. Hero. look is good. More side look is good. More side look is good. More side look is coming up. Front look is even more good of the bike. Front look is good. Side look is coming up. More side look is there. This one side look is there coming out. Sturdy tires. This is their neutral. This Hero EF, Hero N. This keys are also good of the Hero bike. This is the Hero keys. Hero bike keys I have in my hand. This is their good sturdy tires you are getting in this bike. Good sturdy tires with front and rear disc brake. More side look is coming up for you guys. Front look is awesome of the Hero Splendor Plus bike. Yeah. Back look is too good. Side look is coming up. Front look is too good. Front look is awesome of the bike. Hero Splendor bike. This is my Hero. Front look, as you can see, Hero Splendor Plus badging. The halogen light setup. Front look is too good of the Hero Splendor Plus bike. More side look is coming up for you guys. Side look is coming up. Hero Splendor Plus bike. Side look is also good. Yeah. Front look is good. The Hero bike. Side look is good more. More side look is coming up for you guys only. Good looks of the bike is coming up. Getting the buttons as well. Buttons we are getting more buttons. 1/3s off on buttons. More buttons. More buttons. Side look is too good. Side look is too good of the bike. Yeah. More side look is too good of the bike. More side look is coming up. Hero Splendor Plus badging. Hero Splendor Plus badging with the 1/3s badging. Hero Splendor Plus badging with the 1/3s badging. Badging. That look is too good. Look is too good of the bike. More front look is coming up for you guys. Yeah, side look is also coming up. Side look is good. Front look is good. Front look is good. Side look is good. Front look I'm showing you. Yeah. More side look is coming up. Back lights are also there. Back lights. These are back lights with the number plate area halogen lights. Yeah. Metal sturdy grip. This is the back halogen light with the number plate area has a halogen light with the metal grip. Grip. Yeah. Good bike. This is awesome bike, the Hero. Hero is a big brand in India. It makes Hero bikes and scooters also. Yeah. Badging, Splendor badging, 13S badging, yeah. Hero badging, yeah. Splendor Plus badging, yeah. Splendor badging, Hero badging with the Splendor Plus badging, yeah. Some bike by Hero this is. That look is too good. So it look is even more good. Tires are also good of the Hero bike. Yeah. Side look is also good. Look is also good. Yeah. Good. Look. Front look is coming up for you guys. Seats are also comfortable. Hero badging. Instrument cluster is good. Good badging. These are all the bikes. Hero badging. Hero badging is also good. Side look is good. Dual cylinder exhaust is also there. Yeah. Good. More side look is coming up. Side look is more coming up for you guys. Back look is good. Back look is coming up for you guys. Back look is good. Back look is good. With the metal this thing. Good seats. Splendor Plus badging, Hero Plus badging, Hero app. This is, it can tell you service interval every 630 kilometers, 6 months post first free service. You can check this on the Hero app. Hero app, you can check this. You can check this on the Hero app. One more new feature on the Hero app. This is service interval every 600 kilometers, 6 months post first free service on the Hero app. That I showed you. That look is too good. That look is good. Sturdy tires. That look is good. Yeah. Side look is good. Look is good. Look is good. Yeah. Look is good. Yeah. This side look is good. That side look is good. And this is the final front look of the Hero Splendor Plus bike. And this is the final front look of the Hero Splendor Plus bike. Final front look this is. Features I'm telling you of the Hero Splendor Plus bike. Features are halogen light setup at front and back with 2 dippers, 2 mirrors. No mirrors on this bike. Instrument cluster is good. Front and rear disc brakes you are getting on the Hero Splendor Plus bike. Every Indian buys this Hero bike. Hero top selling bike. This is Hero Splendor Plus bike, top selling bike by Hero. This is fantastic bike by Hero. This is Splendor top end bike. This is, I've told you about all the features of the Hero Splendor Plus bike. Told you about all the features of the Hero Splendor Plus bike. And this is the final front look of the Hero Splendor Plus bike. Final front look this is.